everyone, in this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of deleting a presentation in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva and navigate to your recent designs to find the presentation you wish to delete. Alternatively, you can go to Projects to locate the presentation you want to remove. Click on the three dots menu icon for the selected presentation. Select the Move to Trash option from the menu. Next, click on the trash icon. Any designs you've moved to the trash can be found here. Remember, you'll have 30 days to restore them before they are automatically deleted. Click on the three dots menu again for the trash presentation. Click on the Delete from Trash option. Confirm the deletion from the trash. Please note, this action cannot be undone, and there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.